On this video, I'm going to revisit the cross I just did in the last video, except that I used 1/2 inch material in that one, actually 9/16. So this one I got 2 pieces of 1/4 inch. That looks like possibly maple, and there's some cedar. It gives me a contrast there. So I got a side of the cedar that's pretty dark, got some good dark grain on it. So I'm going to approach this one a little different for cutting. The idea is I'm going to cut this out and then switch the two out so I can get a light in a dark and a dark in a light and have 2 crosses out of it. And instead of standing up, I'm going to make these hang on the wall. But I'm going to start and cut the inner part of the letters out and then cut them loose from this side of the cross, and I'll come back to all this stuff on the outside and get the outline done. So again, I'm going to use number 3 blade, and you can see I've drawn those lines to show me where I need to cut it loose from the internal part loose from the outline of the cross. So let me get over the saw and I'll start cutting on this, and kind of interested to see how they're going to look when I get through. Okay, we'll call that done. I've got 1 coat of finish on it, but it gives you an idea of what it looks like. We'll pass this on to my wife and let her do whatever she wants to do with it. Put hangers on them. These will be something to hang on the wall. If you didn't see the original, if you're seeing this video and you didn't see the original video, the original cross, I'll try to get that in the end screen or a link in the description or both. So anyway, this was kind of an experiment based on the last video I did, and I kind of like it. My wife really likes it. So if you like it, hit the like button. And I've got 2 or 3 other projects I'm working on here right now, and I'm not had to start a video on them. I'm just in the planning stages. So hopefully I'll have something new up next week, a whole new idea. So I hope to see you in the next video.